Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will be sharing with you 4 Mother's Day gift ideas. I hope you guys enjoy this video and like these beautiful Mother's Day gift ideas I put together. They are inexpensive and easy to recreate. For this DIY, I will be using this Dollar Tree organizer basket. To decorate my basket, I will be using this mini rose pick I got from Walmart. And I will be also using this bucket I did in one of my previous DIYs. This is actually a coffee creamer bottle that I recycled, so you should definitely go check that video out. The only thing I did was paint the back white using my apple barrel acrylic paint. And I made 2 holes using the hole puncher. That is because I am going to tie the planter to the back instead of gluing it. The only thing I will be doing to the basket is grabbing a makeup sponge and black paint and painting it around and around the rim of the basket. And to tie this, I'm using a piece of string. I am also adding this cute little jute string bow to this planter. I'm going to add some boxwood to my planter, and the rose pick has 4 stems, so I'm going to use one of them for this DIY. By the way, I got my mini rose pick a while back. I am not sure if Walmart's still carrying these, but if they're not, Dollar Tree does carry so many different beautiful floral you can use instead. To hang my picture, I will be tying a piece of jute string at the top. And to clip the picture, I will be using this little clip. This gift, what makes this gift special is this picture. This is 4 generations here. It's my daughter, me, my mom, and my grandma who passed away in July. And I know my mom is going to love this gift, so I am so happy I made this. I will show you 2 options for this DIY. You can use it like this or use a candle holder to make it look taller. For this DIY, I will be using this small little crate I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint the entire thing black. To decorate my crate, I will be using this galvanized heart that I got from a Valentine's sign. And then I'm just going to glue it to the front of the crate. I will be using these Dollar Tree stickers, and I'm going to put Mom on the heart. The last thing I will be doing is adding the greenery to the crate. I will be using this boxwood and one of the stems from the rose pick. For this option, I will be adding this Dollar Tree candle holder. I will be adding some jute string around the middle part of the candle holder. Then I'm going to glue the crate to the candle holder. To finish it off, I will be adding this cute burlap bow. For my second DIY, I will be using one of these Dollar Tree buckets. 3 come in a pack. I have been using these in my previous DIYs, so the only thing I will be changing is the rim part. I'm going to paint it using black. Using the same sticker sheet, I put Te quiero, which means I love you. And I am going to put Mama using a different sticker sheet. This one is from Walmart and the letters are white, so I'm using a piece of Dollar Tree burlap ribbon and adding Mama on top. I am going to glue the burlap to the bucket with the hot glue. You can pretty much write whatever message to the bucket. These little stickers Dollar Tree carries because they are so cute. They also carry so many different colors. The bucket looks pretty as it is already, but I decided to add some nautical rope. The last thing I did was add the roses, which I already had, and some boxwood. I absolutely love these roses. They look so realistic and they match the little ones. My fourth DIY is this Home is Where Mom Is. I absolutely love how this turned out. It looks like a store-bought sign. To make this, I will be using a Dollar Tree sign. This one here is from this year, and this one that I will be using is from last year. They are the same size but different. One's from last year and one's from this year. I am going to paint over it using my apple barrel acrylic paint in white. For the word home, I will be reusing this home sign that I got from Dollar Tree a while back, and some of these cute stickers. The first thing I did was put the word home on top. I am not gluing it yet because I just wanted to put it there so I can know where I'm going to add is where. Because I don't have the letter M from these poster stickers, I'm just going to cut it out and use this as a stencil. I will be also using the letter O because I don't have it either. And I'm going to start off with the letter O, place it in the middle, and then trace it. After I'm done tracing the letters, I'm going to add is. Before I add the word home, I'm going to paint the word mom using my apple barrel acrylic paint in black. When I was painting the O, I messed up, so instead of redoing it, I added a little cute heart in the middle instead. Now that everything's nice and dry, I'm going to finally glue the word home. To finish up my sign, I will be using the 2 stems that are left for this DIY. I'm going to use a burlap bow I made, and I'm going to tie the stems to the burlap bow, so like that I don't glue everything down to the sign. Instead, I will be gluing a Jenga block to the back of the bow, then glue the Jenga block to the sign. And that is it for my 4th DIY. It turned out beautiful. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and see you next time. Bye.